Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I'm not in my studio because your request, I'm back to Richlux house, and because he moved to different unit, different floor, and he told me the house is fully furnished. So we're gonna take you see behind the scene where he film video, where he sleep, where he change his outfit, where he keep a Louis Vuitton, and let's follow me. Let's go.
Hello, darling.
Oh
yes,
my God, you look so radiant,
Welcome
so
to my Houston penthouse.
Oh my God, you're like superstar now.
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
Hi, clock the house.
Oh, I love you.
I love you.
Yeah. So let me give you a tour of my mansion.
I love. Oh my God, so much room.
First of all, I'm like, this is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm like.
Let's look at outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. Like I'm really chill. I'm just really chill right now.
You're very chill at home.
So arcade hall. Right.
Pac-Man,
so,
wow, you know how to play those games?
I'm really good at Pac-Man.
Can you show us how good you are?
Okay,
I think the fan want to see that.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Here we go.
Let's see if he's
when I
lying.
get like really upset or stressed out, and I just come and I play Pac-Man, and I'm really good at it. And yeah.
Oh, you're good.
Hell yeah. Okay. I'm gonna let it play. This one here is Galaga.
I used to play that when I was a little boy.
Yeah, I bought this one because my dad used to play it all the time. It was his favorite game, and Rest is so I love him so much. So it reminded me of him, so I bought it, so I played it. So it reminded me of my dad. Yeah, and it's a fun game. And this is my high score.
That's your high score?
Yeah. I tell anybody, I say, if you can beat my high score, I'll give you $100. I tell
it's on video now. We hear that, so this is the high score.
Yeah, most people can't, because I'm like legit like a nerd, and I'll play.
Do you make your stuffed animal talk?
What?
Like I will say this, I'll be like,
okay.
Hi daddy, I'm hungry.
No, I don't do that. No. But they will say, please like the video, subscribe. So I don't drink, I don't smoke, but I have this table here for guests if they want to have anything. It's very that.
Oh, very good.
You know, like some people might want a drink or two, so that's there for them.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you. And I have this mirror, which I love.
I love this mirror. I look so skinny in this mirror.
This mirror came in white, pink, black, like all that. And I chose this color gold, so I just think it was cool. And then in here is a laundry room.
Oh, okay.
Top and bottom.
Do you have a maid living there?
I have an assistant, I don't have a maid. But yeah.
You're one step closer.
One step closer. So this is like the kitchen and like the island. Like I don't have like a table to sit down and eat, so I just kind of use like the island to sit here and like eat stuff and stuff like that.
I see.
And so yeah, so you get the like recessed lighting and all that over there. And
it's a very wide open room though. It's really high too.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at you. You know, do you watch Game of Thrones?
Oh yeah, I get bored of this one else. And this one over here. So I like this one because the pool is right here and the jacuzzi.
Oh,
you can see all the hot guys in the pool having fun.
Yes.
Especially in the summertime. Now this looks like Gucci.
We call it Inspired
Gucci, but this is real Versace head.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And they every season they come out with another color. So right now they have like a light pink one for like spring and stuff like
You should start collecting them.
Nah, I just need one. I
just need one?
Yeah.
That's what they all start saying there.
Yeah, and over here.
Oh my God, your TV is on the wall.
Yeah.
You like it? Honestly.
It took me forever to hang the TV because to me hanging the TV signified this is where I'm staying because it's hard to take down. Yeah. You know, so I found.
But you don't take down. You hire people to take down.
But I kind of felt like, okay, I'm gonna be here for a while, so let me hang.
Yes.
Yeah. And so, and I got this chase, and I love this chase here, but.
Wow.
Which is, yeah. But I gotta show you. I'm gonna show you because. Okay. Sit down on the chase. I'm gonna show you how I sit down on it. Okay. Okay, sit down, and then you're gonna turn around. Your feet's gonna hang off that thing, and you're gonna lay down. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, just like that.
Oh my God.
Now scoot all the way. Yeah, like that. And I lay there, and I watch TV,
Make sure that my angle looks better.
Yeah, see, you look good. and that's usually how I like relax.
That's really good for your back.
Yeah, it puts like stress off your back or something, and I just lay like
down here.
yeah, a little snack, feed grapes, you know, feed me grapes. So yeah, I like it. So if you ever want to get one of those, I'll let you take control over. Okay, and then I have like a desk right here, and I always wanted to have a desk.
Oh my God, it's a Versace.
Yeah.
I see the. Wow.
I know. Okay, look, I already know the comments. You're gonna say that this furniture is tacky. I love tacky. The more over the top, I just love it like that. Like, I'm serious.
I think this is not. I mean, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
You can do even more.
So this is the first balcony.
Wait, how many balcony you
I
have?
have two.
Oh.
I'll let you go through, so you can get the view.
Wow, that's. Oh, there's no hot guy down here.
Not yet.
Not yet. It'll be here.
This is my second mirror, and I kind of decorated with like these, like the plant thing, and like, you know, all that little drama right there. And this thing changes colors, but I just have it set to blue. It's because it calms me.
It calms you down. Yes,
so I'll let you lead the way to go into the beauty room.
The beauty room. Hi guys.
All right, so here we are in the beauty room.
Oh my God, it seems like there's more stuff now than last time when I was here.
Yeah, like I have like PR on the floor. Like, it's stuff I have to go through. There's like a mattress in the closet for like friends that they want to spend the night and stuff.
And there's some wigs in there.
There's some wigs in there. So this is like my work room. So it's always a chaotic mess. I try to keep it organized as much as I can. If you see over here, I think that this is, oh my God, this is kind of organized, guys. Like, it kind of is. But I'll sit here and I'll record so I can grab stuff. And each one of these drawers is filled with a different brand, like Anastasia, Hank and Henry, Gerard Cosmetics, and Too Faced, and stuff like that. And there's even more junk here, so.
Junk there.
Oh, it's a lot, right? And then I got this box right here.
Oh.
The PR box.
I know this.
Yeah.
Oh, so beautiful.
Which is autographed by Jeffree Star right here.
Oh my, yeah, he's so amazing looking person.
And I use the brushes. I can get it open. Here we go. Let me show. See? Ta-da! I kept everything. So all the brushes, like, they're in my little beauty drawer.
But I love the brushes too. It's really good.
A little note and everything.
Little notes in there.
So yeah. So
you're like his best buddy now.
I'm just like happy, man, because like to be recognized by somebody who's like #1 in the beauty guru world. It's like, what?
And I was a +1. That was amazing experience.
Yeah, if you haven't seen his video where he met Jeffree, check it out.
Yes, and thank you for recognizing me too. I really appreciate that.
So we're gonna go through here. This is the guest restroom. For my guests, I try to have like a little bit of face mask and like a mouthwash and stuff for them.
Yeah, more budget-friendly skincare here. I see how you are.
Yeah, this for them.
But if I'm here, would you upgrade this?
Yes. So then we have like a stand-up shower and a restroom, and then we're back here again. This is
like a grand view. I love it. It's so. Guys, just take it all in. Look at how beautiful this is.
The house. So let's go into the master bedroom. We're all in master.
Wait, last time you guys were asking, show us the master bedroom. So now you're gonna.
They were saying that?
Yeah, they want to see it.
So then usually I'll push somebody in the bed, and then I'll be like, yeah, that hope you get wrong. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. I have another mirror here, like it's very big mirrors. Like I feel like it took a long time to be confident with who I am, so I want to look at my fat ass.
When are you gonna put mirror on the ceiling?
I need a big picture of Steve Jan right here, him and his dog. You know what I'm talking about? So this is my second balcony here. And
even closer to the pool.
And you know what? I feel like if there's like a fire or something, I just like jump out.
So guys, if there's a fire, this is what's gonna happen, okay? Richard's gonna jump. Make sure you jump farther out so you don't get stuck in the bush.
I think this next part will be the most interesting, is my personal restroom, bathroom, and my closet. So, let me put this here. This is my...
Oh.
Okay, can we talk about this?
Can we I need this. Let's look at the lighting.
This is a Glam core like light. So this right here is just a Glam core. I like it because I can get this and stick it there, and then you can like vlog and get ready.
Oh my God, I totally need that.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh my God, look at the lighting.
So this is like my little holy grail area. We got a little bit of La Mer.
Oh, I see a company that I work for. You bought them. Good job.
SK2. We got some Chanel and La Mer and Gucci makeup, and then it goes on, and I got like...
I have to stop you for 1 second. I asked the other blogger friend the same questions.
What?
So if there's a fire right now, you can only grab one skincare product. What would it be? Honestly.
I would grab... It would...
One.
Grab?
It's two.
I can fit 2 in my hand.
No, you only get one product.
It would be one of these 2 because it's the most expensive out of everything here.
You didn't say it because I work for that company, right?
No, it is. I want to grab the most expensive
okay.
one. And then the third one, if I had a choice, would be the Sicily mask.
Did you try their blood rose oil?
I think this is it, right? Oh,
no, that's the
oil.
mask.
It's the mask. No, I just grabbed the oil.
It's really good. Okay,
well,
good.
I just had the mask. But it would be the SK2 products because, I mean, this is like $50, $60. This is like $600 or $400 some dollars. So I would grab that one. Yeah. Okay, and so this is like the bathtub. Hello, dog. Welcome to my closet. It's small. It's small, the house, but yeah.
But it's okay. It's what inside counts.
Yeah. So I have a lot of stuff here. So I have like the, what do you call it, hat box?
I think so.
The backpack. I'm almost done collecting these. I have the small one inside, the medium. I just got the big one today.
Then you need your luggage to go with that.
Yeah. And I got the petite maille over there, and I just have like so many items, and some of these items were gifts. From very special people, and I even have some stuff that you gave me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in here too. So
probably the very smallest item in here.
People who are like very close to me, they know I like LV, so like give me stuff like that. So some of the pieces mean a lot to me. And so then up here we have like the Keep All. No, never. It's the Keep All 55. Yes. Then we got the Speedy 45.
Something like that.
Or 40, yeah. Okay. And then over here I have like my perfumes and stuff like that, and little bags.
Okay.
And then clothes.
Very nice.
And then we have shoes, because I like shoes too. So we got like shoes like these.
Oh my god.
This is not the runway sneaker. It's called something else, but I like it better.
You know what's the bad thing about this? Once you buy one, you want to buy more.
Yeah. And then this shoe here.
Christian Louis Vuitton?
No.
Inspire?
Yeah, this is like, this is not Christian Louis Vuitton, but I bought it at the mall, and I think it says the brand in here or something, but I was like,
because I have one pair,
yeah,
it feels like the Christian Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, it's like really heavy.
Yeah.
But, girl, it's just material stuff, girl. I have something for you.
What's that?
So last time you were here, you got me a housewarming gift, so I got you one now.
But I didn't buy a new house.
No, you bought me a housewarming gift.
Aww.
Last time, because I moved recently.
Yes.
And I was like, I knew you were coming.
Oh my god.
Steve doing unboxing. Yay!
Hi guys. This is amazing.
Okay, here we go.
Gucci is so beautiful. Now their design is just really hot, and all the bloggers want Gucci. This is.
Oh yeah, all the bloggers want Gucci and Fendi right now.
Oh no, you did not buy this for me.
I don't know if he'll fit his big old feet, guys. If you don't know, Steve has size 13 feet. They're really huge.
You know what? This is really nice. I personally would not spend this kind of money for this, but oh my god!
As a gift, yeah.
I love this. I mean,
show the kids. We can't see it. There you go. Boom. There we go. So yeah.
You know, this is a pair.
No. You get 2. You get 2. Can you believe that?
Oh my god. And then there's a dust.
Oh yeah, you get 2 dust bags.
Oh wow, that's fancy.
Yeah. There she goes.
It's Cinderella moment, right?
Yeah.
They fit.
They fit. Oh my god, they fit.
I'm gonna be the princess. It's very comfy.
Thank you for coming. So I'm gonna walk you out.
Wait,
get out. Get out. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. And yeah, if you liked the video, thumbs up. Bye, Steve.
Bye.